Here are the top 3 rare animal moments. You don't want to miss the last one. It's snoring like a chainsaw. But before that, if you like this cute baby bear, like and subscribe. Look at this poor little cat, so malnourished it can't even stand properly. It really needs food and care. Drop a heart and sad emoji in the comments to show you care. Now in number 3, a lion casually causes traffic. Number 2, a giraffe charging straight at a truck. Last one, the snoring lazy cat you've been waiting for.